Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with our Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator, and we got some suggestions and some questions about how to get rid of this red filter light. So of course that filter light, what it does is it tells you and reminds you when you should replace your water filter. And so once you do that, you replace your water filter, which we've already done, and we'll put a link in the description below to the video that we show replacing the water filter. Then you need to make this light go away. So it doesn't go away on its own. It doesn't go away when you replace the filter itself. So you have to reset it. So on our model, it actually does say filter reset 3 seconds where the crushed ice is. Some models don't say that, so you'll have to look. Some of them won't actually tell you that it'll make it go away in 3 seconds, but you have to do it, and you can hear the doo-doo-doo, and then you see that the filter light is now gone, which was right there before. So that's really it. That's how you turn off that filter light once you replace the filter. I wouldn't suggest just turning it off and not replacing the filter if you want clean water and you want to, have a proper filtration on that. So, but again, this is the Samsung 4-door flex fridge. We've done a ton of videos on this fridge. So look through if you're looking for something else, other suggestions of how to clean the actual trays that are in it, how to clean some of the drawers in it. We've done all kinds of stuff on this fridge. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.